Ah, lads, there was an awful murder in Kerry this week. Gardaí are appealing for information. They know who they're after. Facebook knows who they're after. Your auntie's WhatsApp knows who they're after. But officially, no comment. Hey, 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 hey! On the news at 8:15 saying, help us now, the matter's grave. There's a man we need to find urgently. Then they refuse to give a suspect description. No name, no face, no height, no hair, just anyone suspicious. Please beware. We said, how will we know him if he walks on by? They said, legal reasons, don't ask why. There's a murder suspect we can't describe. Could be in the shop or standing by your side. We know exactly who he is, but we can't tell you that. So keep your eyes peeled for a fella in a hat. Or maybe not a hat. Could be hoodie, could be cap, could be all over Facebook, but we can't confirm that. No face, no name, no race, no view, no height, no clue. But we're counting on the public to tell us what they knew. In America they'd show you the man with his tattoos, car and getaway plan. Armed and wanted, answers to Jim, and a giant poster with a photo of him. But here they say we cannot reveal any detail that might make it real. Yet by 9:30 on the local group chat, there's his Facebook and Instagram photos. There's a murder suspect we can't describe. Could be on the bus or standing by your side. We know exactly who he is, but we can't tell you that. So keep your eyes peeled for a fella in a hat. Or maybe not a hat. Could be beard, could be clean, could be named in 17 chats since 3:30. No face, no name, no height, no clue. But we're counting on the public to tell us what they knew. Have you seen this man? What man? The man we can't identify, but I've seen him on Facebook. We can't comment on that. Say! Mary said, I won't say his name, then sent 12 screenshots all the same. Tom said, careful now, don't get sued, then forwarded it to the family group. By morning, everyone in town knew the suspect's whole life story. The guard said rumours only cause confusion, but gave no facts to stop the illusion. We're not asking for his PIN code or his mother's maiden name. Just a jacket, shoe or haircut would improve this little game. If the whole town knows already and the internet's on fire, maybe give us one small detail before the rumors climb higher. There's a murder suspect we can't describe. Could be on the bus or standing by your side. We know exactly who he is, but we can't tell you that. So keep your eyes peeled for a fella in a hat. Or maybe not a hat. Could be near, could be gone, could be trending in the group chat, but officially unknown. No face, no name, no height, no clue. But we're counting on the public to tell us what they know. No face, no name, no race, no nationality, no height, no frame. Facebook knows, the guards won't say. Legal reasons, hip hooray. If you have information about the man we cannot describe, please contact the guards. But we can't tell you what he looks like. What a shambles this has been, lads. Gas lads, out! Out!